Well, I ripped the door off with the slide. I bit the hinges up. I tore. This is the slide right here, and it comes out. It closes all the way to here, and the cabinet door was open just a little bit like this. And as the slide went back, the cabinet got hooked on it, and it ripped it off. So I learned from American Restoration. You put toothpicks in there with wood glue, you break them off or cut them, which I'm going to do with the Dremel, and you cut them off, and then the screws got something to stick, screw back into. They got something to bite on. So I'm going to try that and see if the deal works. Now I'm gonna change tools, and I'm gonna cut down these little guys, those little heads. I'm gonna cut down a little bit so it's smooth, and then I'm gonna try to put the cabinet back on and see what happens. Okay, now that's all sanded down, it's all smooth. I'm hoping these hinges, these raggedy hinges will cover it. Now all I got to do is I'm going to snap that little piece into its receptacle up here to line the shelf up, and hopefully this will work. And I'll put some screws in there. There we go. The door that was whipped off by the slide now works. It's perfect. Fixed with wood glue and toothpicks.